Is tofu okay health-wise? She uses, this is from Katie, she uses sprouted organic tofu. Tofu is a really interesting topic because there are a lot of studies out there that show that tofu is a soy product, that soy causes or leads to increased risk of breast cancer, ovarian cancer, a lot of health complications. Now there are a lot of studies also that show that soy has a preventative effect against these cancers and hormonal imbalances and things like that. So, and all of these are really legit founded studies, scientifically done studies. So when I see things like this with conflicting information, to me personally, I say we just don't know the answer yet. I know for sure that vegetables are health preventative. I know for sure that sugar isn't great for us. I know these things for sure, but with tofu, I just don't know for sure. So for me, that means I eat it in moderation. I also know for sure that organic, non-GMO, and sprouted tofu is much less indicated with any kind of health complications. So when I buy it, I buy that organic, sprouted, non-GMO tofu, and I feel totally comfortable eating it. Would I eat it twice a day, every single day? No, that's too far on the pendulum for me. But do I eat it, maybe once a month on average or something like that? Yes, and I'm totally fine with it. I think it's fine in moderation, but until we have a definitive scientific answer, I wouldn't overdo it on soy, and I would get the non-GMO, organic, and sprouted version.